Today, we will talk about IRS Form 706, United States Estate and Generation Skipping Transfer, Tax Return. IRS Form 706, the United States Estate and Generation Skipping Transfer Tax Return, is used by an executor of a decedent's estate to report the estate's worth for estate tax purposes. The form also helps calculate the generation skipping transfer tax imposed by Chapter 13 of the IRC. Using this form, the executor determines the total value of the estate and will ultimately aid in minimizing capital gains taxes for heirs. Form 706 must be filed by the executor of the estate of every U.S. citizen or resident, when the gross estate, adjusted taxable gifts, and specific exemptions exceed $12.92 million in 2023. The form is available on the IRS webpage. Form 706-NA is used for non-resident alien decedents, while Form 706-GS is used to calculate taxes due on trust distributions subject to the Generation Skipping Transfer Tax, GSTT. The GSTT ensures taxes are paid at each generational level. Form 706 should be filed within 9 months of the date of the decedent's death. If an extension is needed, you can file using Form 4768. The estate tax and the GSTT are due within 9 months of the date of the decedent's death. Payments can be made to the United States Treasury or online through the EFTPS. Not all estates must file Form 706. Only when the gross estate, adjusted taxable gifts, and specific exemptions exceed the filing limit for the year of the person's death. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. Form 706 is used by an executor of a decedent's estate to calculate estate tax owed, according to Chapter 11 of the Internal Revenue Code, IRC, and to calculate the Generation Skipping Transfer Tax, GSTT, imposed by Chapter 13 of the IRC. 2. Form 706 must be filed on behalf of a deceased U.S. citizen or resident whose gross estate, adjusted taxable gifts, and specific exemptions exceed $12.92 million in 2023, adjusted to $13.61 million in 2024. 3. Form 706-GS-D is used to calculate taxes due on trust distributions subject to the Generation Skipping Transfer Tax, GSTT. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.